Hey everyone, we made it to Darwin. It's like 30 degrees, it's so damn good. And we're here at Danny Probert's workshop. So this is his new car. I don't know if anyone's seen it yet. XD Falcon. And it runs a Barra, the old 4-litre turbo Barra engine. A big Garrett turbo hanging off it, and it's dry sumped as well. This thing's freaking sick. It's running the G-force and then a custom 4-link rear end. So unfortunately Danny's not driving this weekend. He's only just literally finished that car like a week ago. And reason we are here is because we've already broken the Sonvia, as you know, loading it off the truck. So Dan's come. He's already flat out fixing the exhaust for me. So we met up with Graham this morning, got the car off the truck, and yeah, Mitch picked it up. So Mitch chucked it on his trailer, brought it down to the workshop here. And we got to start from here and go all the way back. So this is Danny's old car. It still runs a Barra. Here's another one of Danny's cars. I don't know anything about Fords. But this thing here used to have an LS in it. I'm so glad he took that out. It's over here where it belongs. On a pallet. Dirty LS. Yeah, so Danny owns his own workshop. He obviously built his whole car himself. He did the whole thing, didn't he, Dan? Yeah. Still got the standard seats in it. Back seat for the kids. It's a drift taxi now, eh?
Pretty cool, that.
Hey Dan.
Oh, g'day mate.
So, Dan thought he was coming here for a little bit of a holiday.
Get some more trophies.
Yeah. I've already got him working. Oh, so it's Thursday, isn't it? Yeah.
It's Thursday.
It's Thursday, we start practice tomorrow and qualifying. Have we got qualifying tomorrow?
No.
No. Oh, so it's all practice all day tomorrow?
Yes. Hanging around.
Hey, it's brand new now. Oh, you got no choice.
The oxy won't work.
If I didn't run into the truck, it wouldn't be here. We're almost there. We got this done. Don't worry about full welding it. Yeah, just tack it. Exhaust leaks are good. Oh, wild man. We.
It's pretty cold here, isn't it?
Let's watch that electrical cable.
Where's Darwin now?
On the wooden bench, should be right.
Can you hold that?
Oh! Do you want to turn it off? We're out of oxygen.
It's because you got your singlet on, you're knocked off. Lovely cold, isn't it?
You wouldn't. Ooh. Oh, so if anyone's wondering what the hell this is, that's a little experiment I did. You know how two strokes have like a, is it called an expansion chamber? Yeah, just a little experiment. So Dan's got the dump pipe done. Not bad welding, not that I really know what I'm talking about.
Glue together.
So Dan's welded those fittings on. So half the dump's done. Now we've just got this section to go. You're doing well, Dan, I must say. This thing got mangled too. So anyway, what happened, because we're going on reverse. So Dan's finished the dump pipe, now he's just got to weld everything up. I'm not going to annoy him. I am in the wrong way. Thanks for spending your whole day fixing my car, Dan.
Yeah.
So exhaust is done. Thanks, Dan. Again, saved the day. Thanks to Danny at Darwin Auto Care for letting us use his tools, workshop, everything else. Gas, TIG, MIG. Now we got to wait to, what are we doing? We got, we're not allowed to go to the track until, we're not allowed to go to the track until 4 p.m. So we're going to go have some lunch now. Yep. And then we're going to go, yeah, we'll unload everything tonight at the track, get all ready for tomorrow, and then we got a late start tomorrow. It's not until 12? Yeah, 12 o'clock scrutineering. Oh, I need to get a fire extinguisher too. So yeah, we're going to go get lunch now. Thanks again, Dan.
Yeah, mate.
You're a good egg. Everyone say thanks, Dan.
Let's go get some lunch.
All right. See you guys.